I had some bite, like I said.
No, I mean, at least we caught something and we didn't just like throw poles in for 3 days and get no nibbles at all or nothing. You know what I mean? Like that could have been worse.
I caught another 3-pounder.
Hell yeah, dude.
We're bringing in 3-pounders all day.
Sooner or later, this lake will be clean.
Yeah, yeah.
One hook at a time.
Oh, Evan. Evan.
Yeah.
Get your pole. Get your pole. Woo!
Look.
Let's go.
Still got your bait. Wait. Turn more
That's a good
sideways.
cat.
Yeah. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Let's go. Thank you, brother.
Sorry.
Put it back